Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll discuss case study question based on CSV file. Here, Dhruv is a class 12 student and he wants to create a CSV file with student ID, name and mobile number. After writing in CSV file, he is again searching a particular student ID and display its record details. We know to work with CSV file, first we have to import CSV module. In fields, we are having the titles for the CSV file, which is student ID, name and mobile number. CSV double is equal to CSV.WriterF. Writer object is important to convert the received user data into the form which is appropriate for the CSV files. There are two functions to write in the CSV file. One is write row, second one is write rows. A write row function writes one row of data into the writer object, and write rows writes multiple rows of data onto the writer object. Here we want to write only one row of data. For that we have to use write row function. CSV double dot write row, and within bracket we have to write fields to write the titles for the CSV file. After inserting all the titles, now we have to insert the datas inside CSV file. All datas are inside rows. We have to loop through rows and write in CSV file using write row function. To write, we have to use write row within bracket row. Now all the datas are inside CSV file. We are closing the file, again opening it in read mode. We have to create a reader object. CSV R is equal to CSV.reader, and within bracket we have to write F because F is the file handle. First we have to ask from the user the student ID to be searched. As we know, student ID is the first field. Row within bracket 0 double is equal to student ID will be the answer for line 5. Now we'll discuss some questions. First one is choose the module he should import in line 1. As we know, we have already discussed, it will be CSV, which is option C. In second question, choose a code to write the fields, which is column heading, from fields list. Here we have to write row and within bracket fields. In question number 3, choose a code to write the row from rows list. For that we have to write row and within bracket row. In question number 4, choose a code for line 4 to read the data from a CSV file. For this we have to write csv.reader within bracket F, which is option A. In question number 5, choose the correct variable or list value to check student ID in line 5. For that we have to write in small case row within bracket 0. Now we will discuss all these questions in Python itself. To work with CSV file, we have to import CSV, which will be in small letters. For line 1, the answer will be CSV. In fields list, we are having the title, and in rows, we are having the data. First we have to write the title. For that we have to write csv.writeRow within bracket fields in line 2, and to write the datas we have to write csv underscore double dot write row within bracket row to write the datas in csv file. In line 3, to create a reader object in line 4 we have to write csv.reader within bracket f, because f is the file handle. To search we have to write row 0 double is equal to student id. In line 5, now we'll execute the code to see how it works. First we have to enter student id which is to be searched. Here we are searching student id 103. As you can see we are getting Himanshu. If you want to search more, then you have to give more IDs. Hope this video is beneficial to you. Thanks for watching.